The story of the Kaaba is a captivating journey cherished by Muslims everywhere. It all began with Prophet Adam, who built the first house of worship. Over time, natural disasters challenged its structure, but it remained sacred. Prophet Ibrahim and his son, Prophet Ismail, later rebuilt it. Allah commanded Ibrahim to leave his wife, Hajra, and Ismail in the barren Makkah desert. Hajra's iconic quest for water led her to run 7 times between Safa and Marwah, rewarded by the miraculous Zamzam spring. After rebuilding the Kaaba, Ibrahim prayed for security and sustenance for its people. During Prophet Muhammad's time, the Kaaba remained significant. Upon returning to Makkah, he cleansed it of idols, declaring it a pure sanctuary for Muslims. Today, the Kaaba stands as it did during Muhammad's era, symbolizing faith, unity, and devotion for millions who visit for Hajj and Umrah each year.